Thandeka, she's now officially a millionaire, guys. Thandeka's ancestors are working overtime. She's highly favored. So anyway, guys, let's get to start of today. You know, the rest of the houses of money, please. Welcome to Truly Entertainment. Thank you so much for joining me. Don't forget to subscribe, to like, a comment, a happy Wednesday, happy 2026. Guys, we all know that Big Brother Mzansi season 6 ended around March. Uliema, she was the winner. She walked away with 2 million rand, and the Italians, Thandeka's fan base, they were not happy, guys. They were saying, "Oh, you guys were not fair to Thandeka. Thandeka, she was supposed to win this one." So, guys, they decided to open a GoFundMe account to donate money for Thandeka. Guys, now it's June. Thandeka, within less than 3 months, the Italians, even based on Thandeka, they were able to raise 1 million rand. Right now, as I'm speaking to you, it is currently sitting on 1,033,499. Guys, it's they are so lucky, guys. Thandeka, even though people came out to say Thandeka should not get brands, Thandeka, nothing she's doing. But guys, when God loves you, everything just goes well. Guys, you see, go to this life, guys. Sometimes people can say something about you. It doesn't mean that other people will not love you, guys. Thandeka bayamthanda, same as Ummeli. If there's one housemate that has been gifted more than anything, it is Thandeka, guys. Thandeka, she's getting more than Liema. You know, other housemates, they've received Bravo B, even Bravo B. I just want to say, wow, Bravo B, guys, you know, coming from Big Brother for the second time, you know, he really did it, guys. He's doing so well for himself. So anyway, guys, it is what it is. Don't forget to subscribe, to like, it, comment. Happy Wednesday. Please take care of yourself.